All right, people, we're gonna listen to The Time of the Oath. We're listening to this one. We're gonna listen to this one now. As a matter of fact, I haven't opened this one, so this one became an opening, an opening, box opening. Where is it? Where is it? Here we go. All right, so let me take this here. So I bought this album a while back. I've never listened to it. So here we go. Here we go. All right, so check this out. I'm gonna have to open this. Why not? Boom. So there it is. Nice. I love that. That was pretty cool. So you got that, and then, oh, I guess that's it. That's what you get. So, yeah, so that's pretty cool. Now, I think I read online that this is not the best quality sound, I guess. We'll be going into it soon enough. Side 1, side 2, side 1, side 2. So I think this one. All right, so in order to listen to the song that I really want to listen to, which is Mission Motherland, we're gonna have to do some music movement. No, it's not that bad. So all right, so give me 1 second. All right, so we are gonna be waiting a little bit because we are in the middle of Kings Will Be Kings. In order to get to Mission Motherland, we have to go through Kings Will Be Kings. So anyway, so check it out. All right, people. All right, so we're gonna go pretty soon with Mission Motherland. Here we go, Mission Motherland. That's the song. right, so that was Mission Motherland, The Time of the Oath, Helloween. The sound, I will have to say yes, is not the best in this version. Maybe if I equalize it differently, maybe. But what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna listen to Mission Motherland on the CD, and actually we're gonna listen to that, and then we're gonna compare that. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Peace.